Hey Islanders, I wanted to create a quick video showing you how to install updates on your laptop. Here, if you see this icon in the lower right corner of your screen with this little yellow dot, you can click on that and it will tell you that you need to restart in order to install updates. So if you see this, go ahead and click on it and it will show you that there's updates available or pending restart, and you can choose whether to restart now or whether to schedule a restart. The other thing that you can do is underneath this Windows logo, if you click here, you'll see a similar orange dot underneath this power button. This allows you to choose whether or not you want to update and shut down, update and restart. It gives you a quick estimate on how long those updates are going to take. And so you have some options. If you're seeing that yellow dot or this icon and this yellow dot down here, orange dot, go ahead and click that and you can restart there. Otherwise, if you go under the Windows logo, you can choose some additional options here as well. Thanks a lot.